Today we're making an origami dragon. This is a very cool design. And I don't know what, but I designed these. If you don't want to design the wings, you just want to leave it like this, that is fine. Okay, let's get started. Get a paper, any color you want, any size, big, small, I don't really care. So you can first fold it like this. Now use your teeth and sharpen it like this. Now open it up. Do the same. Like this. Okay. Now fold it like this. Yeah. Open it up. Fold it like this. And then when you're done with that step, do this. And this. When you're done with that, put it into this shape. Put one here. Reinforce it. Put one here. Reinforce it. Like this. Now, little pockets right in the middle. Open that pocket up, see? Then fold it like this. The design that I made on this was very thin dragon head like here. So now let's get working the real part to make this dragon. Now, let's watch very closely. So when we're doing it, we want to open this up like this. And then we want to sink this down like this. Not like that, like this. See this? Push it in. These are going to go like this and use the lines and like push finger through it and then like get the lines on. Get these on there. Use great pressure. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Make sure you only use this one. If there's a flap like this, see, watch out for 2 flaps on each side. Now, when you're done, see a flap here, or a flap here. Watch out, but don't miss out. Okay. Now, let's just do it the same pattern. This. Not folding it like this. Now here comes the hard part. Fold this up here. Here. Then if you want to, put it here. Then use this big piece. Fold it down. Just like that. Open it up. But now, open it up like this. Then, go to do this. And then this. you mess up, start over. It's not a big deal. Then do this. Repeat it on the other side. When you're done, fold it like this. And then when you're done folding it, it'll look like this. It'll look like this. Fold it back down. Okay. This. Now we're gonna work on this part. Part is a little hard, so beware. Fold this part over here, then this will come up. Use this little flap right here, then straighten all of this, then fold this flap down. And then fold this down too. When you're done, let me show you again. This here, put this in, line up these corners, and then put it down. That's what you have to do. And now, again like this. And like that. Okay, repeat it on the other side. Pum. One like this. Like this. One like this. And do that. And then every side. Okay. I'm not that good of an origamier because I don't really do origami that much. By the way, my origami completions get given out. I don't really care about them because there's no use, so I have to give them out. Like this one, I'm gonna give it out to somebody else. Okay. Now we're moving on to the hard steps. Fold this. See, listen. We want to make an edge straight down from here. See, here. Here. These are our imaginary lines. Down. This one doesn't have anything. Go here, all the way down. See, all the way down on this line. All the way down on that line. See? That is what we want to do. That. Hey. When you're done doing both, do this. You want to line them up. See this part? Put this part like this. Then fold this part in. And then this down. Now do the other side. Just fold it down like this on the other side. Then, done both things. One side is done. Time for the other side. Remember, focus like this. Fold this here. Fold it down like this. See? Down like that. Here, here. That. Repeat it on the other side. And bump. Repeat. Okay. When you're done with that, fold the bam and bam. Now let's do the head. This head. This part. See that part? This part is a little hard to do, so be aware of how to do that part. Okay. Here's gonna be the 4 legs. Let's move on to this head part. First, fold this up like that, all the way up. Now open this up and then fold the inside like this. Okay. When you're done with that, do the same on the other side. If you can't do it, restart. And then one day you'll get it. Put it like that. But I don't think anyone will not correct this. See? Like this. And just close it up. Close it up. Now the last step to do, see if it stands up. If it does it, you can adjust it a little. If you want the wings, you can do your own wing design, but I don't want the wings on this one. So then way down like that, and it will look something like this. But you're telling me, how is this gonna be a dragon, mister? But fold this up like that and then close it. Then you have a fully functional dragon. The weight on this front is a little bad. So if you want it more heavier, just adjust these forward a little more and then it will stand up like that. I don't think it's gonna stand up for mine because this back is a little heavy. The front is not enough heavy, so if you want it to stand up, just put a little more weight on it. Like, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. So if I just push it in, it falls down, but I like it to do that. So it's just hard to make it stand up. And bye. Thank you for watching on this awesome video.